Welcome everyone to this special MCQ series on UGC NET English Literature. This series is designed strictly according to the official UGC syllabus, with high-level, PYQ-based, and concept-trap questions that help you think like a NET examiner. Here, we don't just revise literature, we decode it, challenge it, and master it. First question. The first edition of the Canterbury Tales was printed by A. William Caxton, B. Wynkyn de Worde, C. Richard Pinson, D. John Rastall. The right answer is option A. William Caxton. He introduced the printing press in England. Chaucer's works gained wider circulation through print culture. Next question. The first English novel is generally considered to be A. Robinson Crusoe, B. Pamela, C. Tom Jones, D. Moll Flanders. The right answer is option A. Robinson Crusoe. Published in 1719. It established realism and individualism in fiction. Next question. The Romantic period in English literature conventionally begins in A. 1789, B. 1798, C. 1800, D. 1812. The right answer is option B. 1798. Publication of lyrical ballads marks the shift. It signals reaction against neoclassicism. Next question. Tottel's Miscellany was published in A. 1549, B. 1557, C. 1564, D. 1579. The right answer is option B. 1557. It popularized sonnets of Wyatt and Surrey. Marks beginning of printed English lyric tradition. Next question. The first tragedy in English written in blank verse was performed in A. 1558, B. 1561, C. 1576, D. 1588. The right answer is option B. 1561. Gorboduc introduced blank verse drama. It influenced later Elizabethan playwrights. Next question. The first complete English dictionary was compiled by A. Samuel Johnson, B. Nathan Bailey, C. Robert Cordray, D. Thomas Blunt. The right answer is option A. Samuel Johnson. Published in 1755. It standardized English lexicon. Next question. The Harlem Renaissance flourished primarily during A. 1900-1910, B. 1915-1935, C. 1940-1955, D. 1960-1970. The right answer is option B. 1915-1935. It centered in New York. African American cultural expression expanded significantly. Next question. The period known as the Age of Sensibility is primarily linked with A. Late 17th century, B. Early 18th century, C. Mid to late 18th century, D. Early 19th century. The right answer is option C. Mid to late 18th century. Emotion and sympathy became literary values. It prepared ground for Romanticism. Next question. The first complete folio of Shakespeare's plays was published in A. 1603, B. 1616, C. 1623, D. 1630. The right answer is option C. 1623. Compiled by Hemming and Condell. Preserved many plays from loss. Next question. The Bloomsbury Group was active primarily during A. 1880, B. 1910-1930, C. 1940, D. 1950. The right answer is option B. 1910-1930. Included Virginia Woolf and Lytton Strachey. They promoted modernist aesthetics. Next question. The first woman novelist in English is often considered A. Aphra Behn, B. Fanny Burney, C. Mary Wollstonecraft, D. Anne Radcliffe. The right answer is option A. Aphra Behn. She wrote Oroonoco. She earned living through writing. Next question. The Gothic novel The Castle of Otranto was published in A. 1749, B. 1755, C. 1764, D. 1770. The right answer is option C. 1764. Written by Horace Walpole. It initiated Gothic fiction tradition. Next question. The modernist period in literature roughly begins around A. 1890, B. 1900, C. 1910, D. 1925. The right answer is option C. 1910. Virginia Woolf marks this psychological shift. Experimentation became central. Next question. The publication year of the Communist Manifesto is 1844, B. 1848, C. 1852, D. 1861. The right answer is option B. 1848. Written by Marx and Engels. Influenced Marxist literary criticism. Next question. The first issue of The Spectator appeared in A. 1709, B. 1711, C. 1714, D. 1720. The right answer is option B. 1711. Founded by Addison and Steele. It shaped periodical essay tradition. Next question. The Oxford movement began in A. 1825, B. 1833, C. 1848, D. 1855. The right answer is option B. 1833. It aimed at Catholic revival within Anglicanism. Influenced Victorian religious writing. Next question. The first American novel is often considered A. The Scarlet Letter, B. Wieland, C. Moby Dick, D. The Last of the Mohicans. The right answer is option B. Wieland, written by Charles Brogden Brown. It blends Gothic and psychological elements. Next question. The first Indian English novel is widely considered A. Rajmohan's Wife, B. Untouchable, C. Kanthapura, D. Anandamath. The right answer is option A. Rajmohan's Wife, written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee in English. Published in 1864. Next question. The first African writer to win the Nobel Prize in Literature was A. Chinua Achebe, B. Wole Soyinka, C. Nadine Gordimer, D. J. M. Coetzee. The right answer is option B. Wole Soyinka. He won in 1986. It recognized African literary excellence globally. Next question. The first English comedy is generally regarded as A. Ralph Roister Doister, B. Gamma Gurton's Needle, C. Everyman, D. The Four Ps. The right answer is option A. Ralph Roister Doister, written by Nicholas Udall. It imitates classical Roman comedy. Next question. The first woman to win the Nobel Prize in Literature was A. Selma Lagerlöf, B. Toni Morrison, C. Doris Lessing, D. Pearl S. Buck. The right answer is option A. Selma Lagerlöf. She won in 1909. It marked recognition of women writers internationally.